Hey folks, welcome to my channel. I had this here because this is the logo for my company shoes and I don't want anybody to see. I don't really want the company to see that I'm doing a video with their company shoes. Okay, so today I'm just talking about a video that I saw, a reaction video to a topic on TikTok. You know, TikTok always has some kind of trend and stuff. I don't know if you may have seen it. It's about this young lady. She tried this Logan cucumber salad. I did do it too. I checked one of my videos a few videos back. I did it, right? But of course I tweaked it. Now I didn't go out and buy no gadgets and stuff and things. I just used what I had and I tweaked the recipe a bit. Most people, they did exactly what he did. They bought the container where you could put all the ingredients in. They bought this thing that they call, I think it's a mandolin. It's a gadget where you cut the cucumber. People bought that, right? I didn't buy anything. I used my knife and I used a bowl that I had and I mixed up all of my ingredients. Again, you check out my video, you'll see what I did. Anywho, so this young lady now, she did a video and the video that I saw was a reaction to her video. And that's why I got to find out about this situation. She used the mandolin that was recommended by Logan, right, to cut the cucumber, and she injured herself to the point where apparently the skin, it damaged the nerves, and the doctor is saying that she may not be able to use the finger, right? But it still has to be, you know, let some time pass to see how it cures and stuff, right? So my first reaction to her video was, she's an idiot. Right? Playing up, that was my thinking, right? I mean, come on, man. I mean, if you're in the kitchen regular and you do, and you know what, the guy who did the video, Logan, right, I watched a few of his videos and he specifically said while using the mandolin, be careful using the gadget. He said it. I saw it. If you go and you check his videos, you will see that he said it a few times in his different videos, right? So you buy this lady, she buy the gadget and the gadget has a guard to protect your hand from being injured, and she said specifically that she removed the guard. She removed the guard and used the gadget, and they go on and you cut up yourself and you want to blame the boy, blame Logan. And on top of that, now she's saying she's not blaming him, but she kept on calling his name in her video, right? So I don't think it is right for her to blame him. It's not his fault. It's her silly fault for not using the guard on the gadget, right? You remove the guard, you get cut, is your fault, right? What I got to see. I'm so hooked up by this young lady doing nonsense, right? Like I said before, I did the recipe, but I didn't use the gadgets and stuff because, you know, I used what I had. That's how I am, right? And I improvise. And even when he was doing the recipe, he put all the ingredients in the container and shake it up. For me, I found that I didn't think it would have mixed up well. So what I did was, especially with the cream cheese, I use my hand. I'm eating it, I use my hands, I make sure the cream cheese mixed up well, and I was satisfied with that because it's just my husband and I, and I'm serving it to myself. So I use my hand. Even if I use my hands, and you can use your gloves or whatever. That's how I did mine, right? I think the reason why, I think it's a scam with her. I feel that she really wasn't injured. I feel that she tried to hop on this trend with Logan cucumber salad because a lot of people are doing this challenge. Well, not really a challenge, it's a trend, right? And he has a lot of videos. I think he has maybe a lot of videos that has a million views and stuff, right? And she's trying to get on that trend to get views of her video. That's why, you know, she just did this video and calling his name, right? I feel that she's not really injured and she's just trying to get on that trend, and I don't believe that she was injured. That's just my thought. If I'm wrong, okay, no problem. I'm sorry that she got injured, but however, I think she was very careless and she was being silly and she's an idiot. I will just say that, right? Because I mean, come on, man, you remove the guard. And okay, like when Logan is doing his videos, right, when he's cutting the cucumber with this mandolin gadget, right, he holds the cucumber up like this to the top and he will grate, right? As a matter of fact, I was grating something this morning and I remember sometime I myself was being an idiot, right? I went too low and I got my knuckles cut, right? Because if you go to a regular grater, it is sharp too as well, eh? A certain degree of sharpness, and I went too low and I grate my knuckles here. I was an idiot then too, right? It happens to all of us who are in the kitchen. We have scars and bruises, you know, burns and stuff. I have a lot of burns in my hand. We have injuries when you're in the kitchen regular. Yeah, so he like I was saying before, when he reached to like almost when the cucumber was almost finished grated up, you know, I guess he probably may have thrown away that part, or you know, maybe go a little slower, because you know, basically you don't have much vegetable in your hand, right? So, but like I said before, when he started, some of the videos that I saw, he will hold the cucumber at the top and he will grate, right? And as fast as you go lower down, when you reach to the smaller part, of course you'll go slower, or maybe you may discard that part, you know, or just take your time and grate that little piece that you have in your hand, right? With caution, you know. So, you know, this young lady, you know, wait and use this gadget and bruise up her hand and seemed like she wants to blame this guy, and on top of that now she's saying that she's not blaming him, but she keep calling his name and stuff. That's why I think it's a scam. Okay, enough about that. I just wanted to get my input because I just felt that, you know, it needs to be said from me, my thoughts on it. All right, what are your thoughts on this topic? If you saw it, leave it in the comment section below, and it'd be interesting to know what you think about this. This is really crazy, you know. I mean, like I said before, we all get injured. If you're in the kitchen regular, you have little injuries and stuff, you know, nothing major, of course, you know, but we don't blame anybody. We don't blame the gadgets unless it's really something that, you know, gadget appliance or gadget specific, then, you know, you have, of course, to put the blame on the gadget. But in this case, the gadget had a guard, she removed the guard and she injured herself, and she wants to blame somebody else, which I think is not right. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.